On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp QR code problem. First thing you wanna do, guys, is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this and then go to the WhatsApp or search for it right here. Now you have to click on this option. It's called force stop to stop running the app in the background of your phone. After you click on force stop, now click on storage, click on clear cache, go back again, click on the power usage details, click down here on this force stop and make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled. After that, you have to do one last step, which is you have to restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the end.